How to fix Ready or Not stuck on loading screen. Now, Ready or Not sometimes freezes during loading due to file corruption, leftover mod data. We also have system setting conflicts. Several players have resolved this by fully clearing local saves, removing mod remnants, or adjusting the launch settings. So we have some step-by-step method over here that you can go ahead and try following to see if this will help with your problem. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is to remove save data in Steam Cloud. So you can open ahead your Steam, go to Ready or Not, and right click on it for its properties. Go to local files and then click verify integrity of game files. There you can disable Steam Cloud Sync from built-in game properties and then rename or delete the folder at this specific location. This often resolves stock loading while keeping a clean slate. Next, you can also delete mod remnant, so we can navigate over here in your file manager and remove any leftover mod folders or files, and you can then just keep the official PAK files. You can also check over here and then or Steam Workshop subscriptions to ensure no mods are already active. You can also run as administrator and disable optimization. So you can right click the game and then properties, compatibility tab. There you can run this program as administrator, disable full screen optimizations, and optionally run in Windows 8 compatibility mode. You can also disable antivirus or overlay tools that may interfere with the setup. Next is to update graphics driver and system files. So ensure your GPU drivers are updated and run a SFC scan now via command prompt to repair system files. You can also keep Windows and DirectX updated. Then the last step is to clean reinstall. So uninstall the game completely, delete any leftover folders, then reinstall. Ideally on a different drive if possible, and then re-verify all files and launch fresh. But anyways, hopefully one of these methods or options or steps can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.